Hello learners, let's continue with the remaining part of third unit, that is Python libraries. NumPy data types. The NumPy provides a higher range of numeric data types than that provided by the Python. A list of numeric data types is given in the following table. NumPy dtype. All the items of a NumPy array are data type objects, also known as NumPy dtypes. A data type object implements the fixed size of memory corresponding to an array. We can create a dtype object by using the following syntax. NumPy.dtype object, align, copy as parameters to the dtype function. The constructor accepts the following object. Object. It represents the object which is to be converted to the data type. Align. It can be set to any boolean value. If true, then it adds extra padding to make it equivalent to a C struct. Copy. It creates another copy of the dtype object. Example 1. Import numpy as np, d is equals to np.dtype, np.int32 as parameters to the dtype construct. Print d. Output is int32. Example 2. Import numpy as np, d is equals to np.int32, i4 in the brackets print d. Output is int32. NumPy array creation. The nd array object can be constructed by using the following routines. NumPy.empty. As the name specifies, the empty routine is used to create an uninitialized array of specified shape and data type. The syntax is given below. NumPy.empty. Shape, dtype is equals to float, order is equals to C as parameters. It accepts the following parameters. Shape, the desired shape of the specified array. Dtype, the data type of the array items. The default is the float. Order, the default order is the C style row major order. It can be set to F for Fortran style column major order. Example, import numpy as np, arr is equals to np.empty, 3, 2, dtype is equals to int as parameters to the empty function. Print arr, the output is numpy.zeros. This routine is used to create the NumPy array with a specified shape where each NumPy array item is initialized to 0. The syntax is given below. NumPy.zeros, shape, dtype is equals to float, order is equals to C as parameters to the zeros function. It accepts the following parameters. Shape, the desired shape of the specified array. Dtype, the data type of the array items. The default is the float. Order, the default order is the C style row major order. It can be set to F for Fortran style column major order. Example, import numpy as np, arr is equals to np.zeros, 3, 2 in brackets, dtype is equals to int as parameters to the zeros function. Print arr. Output is numpy.ones. This routine is used to create the NumPy array with a specified shape where each NumPy array item is initialized to 1. The syntax to use this module is given below. NumPy.ones, shape, dtype is equals to none. The syntax to use this module is given below. NumPy.ones, shape, dtype is equals to none, order is equals to C as parameters to the ones function. It accepts the following parameters. Shape, the desired shape of the specified array. Dtype, the data type of the array items. Order, the default order is the C style row major order. It can be set to F for Fortran style column major order. Example, import numpy as np, arr is equals to np.ones, 3, 2 within brackets, dtype is equals to int as parameters to the ones function. Print arr. The output is NumPy array from existing data. NumPy provides us the way to create an array by using existing data. NumPy.asArray. This routine is used to create an array by using the existing data in the form of lists or tuples. This routine is useful in the scenario where we need to convert a Python sequence into the NumPy array object. The syntax to use the asArray routine is given below. NumPy.asArray, sequence, dtype is equals to none, order is equals to none as parameters to the asArray routine. It accepts the following parameters. Sequence, it is the Python sequence which is to be converted into the Python array. Dtype, it is the data type of each item of the array. Order, It can be set to C or F. The default is C. Example: creating NumPy array using the list. Import NumPy as NP. 1 is equals to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 within square brackets as its parameters. A is equals to NP dot as array 1 within brackets. Print type of A, print A. The output is. Example: creating a NumPy array using tuple. Import NumPy as NP. 1 is equals to all numbers from 1 to 7 within brackets. A is equals to NP dot as array 1 as parameter to the as array routine. Print type of A, print A. The output is. Example: creating a NumPy array using more than one list. Import NumPy as NP. 1 is equals to all numbers from 1 to 7 within square brackets, 8, 9 within another square brackets. A is equals to NP dot as array with 1 as parameter to the as array routine. Print type of A, print A. The output is. NumPy arrays within the numerical range. This section of the tutorial illustrates how the NumPy arrays can be created using some given specified range. NumPy.AR range. It creates an array by using the evenly spaced values over the given interval. The syntax to use the function is given below. NumPy.AR range. Start, stop, step, dtype as its parameters. It accepts the following parameters. Start, the starting of an interval, the default is 0. Stop represents the value at which the interval ends excluding this value. Step, the number by which the interval values change. Dtype, the data type of the NumPy array items group. Example: import NumPy as NP. ARR is equals to NP.ARange 0, 10, 2, float within the brackets as its parameters. Print ARR. The output is. Example: import NumPy as NP. ARR is equals to NP.ARange 10, 100, 5, int as its parameters. Print the array over the given range is within double quotes, ARR. The output is. Here, this session comes to the end. Hope you are enjoying the course. Thanks for watching this video.